Daisy the Duck's Rainy Adventure. Written by Raz the Storyteller. One cloudy day, Daisy the Duck was splashing in puddles when it started to rain. "I love the rain," Daisy quacked happily, flapping her wings in the puddles. But soon the rain got heavier, and Daisy's favorite puddle turned into a little stream, carrying her away. "Uh-oh," Daisy quacked, floating down the stream. "This is fun, but how do I get back?" As Daisy drifted, she saw her friend Charlie the Frog hopping by the water's edge. "Hang on, Daisy," Charlie called. He hopped ahead to find a big leaf. Charlie held the leaf in the stream and Daisy paddled over to it. "Hop on," he said. Daisy climbed onto the leaf and Charlie helped her paddle back home. When they reached the pond, Daisy smiled and quacked. "That was the best rainy adventure ever!" Daisy and Charlie spent the rest of the day splashing together, happy to be home.